Hi everyone! Check out this brand new Nissan Patrol Y63. After few weeks of conversation with my client, we decided for the phase 1 build, we're going to install 24-inch on his Patrol. Here is it. We're using Lexani luxury wheels with how many spoke? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spoke. As you can see, the lip, dip lip, chrome with black accent. And the tires we're using here is Nitto NT420V. Check out the stands. Perfect. And also we installed complete Hypotec matting on the unit like this. This is 3-row plus cargo tray. And we're thinking if we're going to install BF Clear Max or BF Supreme Black Series on this tent. See the stands. Black with chrome. Very VIP look. After this one, we're going to upgrade the big brake kit because as you can see, the brake caliper is very small to look at. That's why we're going to upgrade for better performance also. That will be our phase 2 build. If you like how we built here, oh, by the way, we have also Geely EX. This is the, I forgot the model. The EX5 for upgrade also. And also we have a LM350 also for wild body kit. Stay tuned for that. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Stock is boring, everyone. See you here. Bye.